Hi, I'm Ryan Talod, 26 years old, from province of Isabela. I have total years of experience of 7 years, 4 years in local and 3 years in abroad. I welding fabricate trusses, I-beam, column, staircases, railings, and gate. And also in the Philippines is same structural and construction company. I perform MIG and SMAW welding process. And I also use cutting tools like acetylene, power tools, grinding, drill, and press machine. I apply Australia not for my personal intention. I want to work Australia because to my family, also to my children. I want to give a better opportunity if I PR in Australia.